Experience pure nature and endless energy with the RO800 or RO1000 model. Thank you for trusting Ecoviva. Before starting, check all components. If anything is missing, contact our support team. Here's an overview of the installation. This diagram shows how all parts connect for a successful setup. Gather these tools before you begin: a wrench, utility knife, drill, towel, and flashlight. They'll make the installation smoother. Always shut off the main water supply before starting. After installation, inspect all connections for leaks to ensure safety. Now, let's start the installation process. Follow each step carefully for best results. In step 1, we'll install the feed water adapter. Once that's secured in place, you should see something like this. First, locate the main water valve and turn it off. This ensures a safe working environment. Open the existing faucet to release any pressure in the lines. Confirm no water is flowing before proceeding. Carefully use a wrench to disconnect the old supply line. Place a towel underneath to catch any water. Measure the size of your water pipe. Choose the appropriate connection method according to the actual size. Attach the water adapter to the closed valve. Ensure it's hand-tight before using a wrench. Use a wrench to tighten all connections. This prevents leaks and ensures stability. Insert the white water line into the adapter port. Pull gently to confirm it's locked, then insert the blue clip. Start by placing the sticker on the drain pipe. This marks where you'll drill the hole. Using a drill, make one hole where the sticker is placed. Be cautious and wear safety gear. Insert the drain tube into the clamp up to 0.6 inches. This ensures a proper seal. Position the clamp over the hole and tighten the screws firmly. This holds the tube in place. After confirming that the wastewater pipe is secure, install the blue card. Attach the water line to the faucet body. Make sure it's fully inserted for a leak-free connection. Place the rubber gasket on the faucet stem, facing down. Insert the faucet into the sink's pre-drilled hole. If no hole exists, drill one carefully. From under the sink, tighten the fixing nut securely. This stabilizes the faucet. Insert the RO tube straight into the faucet connection. Give it a gentle tug afterwards to confirm it's locked in place. You'll find the water line connections on the back of the unit. If it's difficult to reach while standing upright, we recommend gently laying the unit on its back for a much easier and safer installation. Connect the color-coded water lines, tug gently, and secure them with the blue clips. Then, screw the data cable firmly into place on the machine. Slowly open the water supply valve. This allows water to flow into the system. Inspect all connections: the water adapter, the unit's inlets, and under the faucet. If you see any leaks, immediately turn off the water supply and verify the connection is correct. If everything is dry, we're ready to proceed. Connect the power plug to an outlet. The unit should light up, indicating it's receiving power. The main unit's indicator is now on. This shows the system is ready. The faucet display should activate. This confirms successful installation. Open the water supply valve completely. We'll now flush the system to remove impurities. Let the water run for 30 minutes. This rinses the filters and membranes. Do not drink this water. Here's what the lights mean: white steady for standby, breathing for filtering, red for filter replacement, The faucet shows real-time TDS levels and filter lifespan. This helps monitor water quality. Now, enjoy your pure water. Fill a glass and taste the difference. Your kitchen is now equipped with clean, safe water. Thank you for choosing Ecoviva.